I'm literally on my lunch break right now, but I'm doing this for you guys. So basically what you'll need is a dead puff. It's blinking, you see. Then you'll also need like a wire. I don't think you can use like an Apple charger. I think it has to be an Android or something like that. You just cut it down and then to reveal the black and red wire, and then you also have to cut it down to reveal like the actual metal part inside. Then to open it, you can use like scissors or a knife or something, but I just use my mouth. Bam. What you'll find inside is this metal thing and like the actual like filter or whatever. So take this. Normally there'll be tape over the ends and you just take that off, and then you put the red wire on the red side and you just put it on the metal there, like where the wire connects. And then you do the same with the black. Then you just plug it like this part into the wall and you just hold it there for like 2 minutes and then it should work. Hey guys, let me show y'all how to recharge a disposable. So this is a pop. So let me show y'all that it's actually dead. So everyone knows when it's blinking, it's dead. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a scissors or a pliers, right? Because you need to get this part off. So it's usually like a bit difficult to get it off, but it does eventually come off. So I already took this one out, so it will come off like pretty easily. So basically just do it like this. Okay, and then you pull the device out. Not a device, but this part. Okay, so as you can see, it's the battery and this is the flavor. So what you're going to do is, next you're going to get an old charger, like a cord, and you're going to cut not this part of it. So basically you need to take the plastic part off. So let me just show you how. Just cut the plastic part a bit. Like this, okay, you see, and then you pull, must be careful with this though, by the way, and then you just pull the plastic part off, can you see, until you have the wires. Okay, so once you have the wires, you pull out the red wire and the black wire, and you need to take off the plastic tip from the wire so that the wire can show like that. Can you see this silver thing sticking out is the actual wire? Then you're going to take your battery and you're going to connect the black part to the black side of the tape, and then the red part to the red side, but you need to hold it by the metal point of each battery. So you need to hold it at the same time, like, I don't know how to show you, like that, and then plug your cord in to an adapter and let the electricity flow, but you need to hold it at the same time. So you're gonna hold it like this on the battery at the ends of each side of the battery and charge it for like 10 minutes, and then it will literally work. So I'm gonna charge it for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna show y'all that it like literally works. Okay guys, I don't have much time. I forgot to put it in 3 minutes, but anyway, so I just charged it and I'm gonna put it back. So you just put it back like normal. Be careful, don't break the wires. Okay, let's see. And it works, guys. Let me know if this helped.
How to charge a Puff Plus battery.
This is just going to be a quick how-to video. How to charge the Pop Extra. As you can see, the light is blinking. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get a pair of pliers and we're just going to take the bottom off. Alright. We're going to take the top off. Now what you're going to do is you're going to push on this top until this bottom part comes out. It's just going to be a little plastic piece attached to a wire attached to a battery. Now, You can also fill the pop from the top of there too if you do run low on juice, but this is just to recharge the battery. So what I've done before making this video is I've cut the cord of a standard USB cable. See, there's the head. And
How to charge a Puff Plus
you
battery.
want to strip away the red and the black wires. Those are the only two that matter with this anyway. Alright, and then I'm going to plug the end into my computer, to my laptop. Alright, now these are hot. It will not burn you, will not shock you, because it's not enough amps coming through these cables to shock you. So what you want to do is on our battery here, you're going to want to remove the whole assembly from the tube. On the top you see the red wire going into the positive side, and you see the black and then the green wire going into the negative side. So what we're going to do is with our wire that's hooked up now and stripped, we're going to hold the black wire to the negative, and then we're going to hold the positive side to the positive. You can do this with your bare hands, or you can electrical tape it. I just do it with my bare hands for a few minutes to keep from overcharging, personally.
How to charge a Puff Plus battery.
This is just for instruction purpose. I mean, normally I would electrical tape them for a little while, but I wouldn't charge them for any more than probably 5 to 10 minutes, or else you risk like the battery itself exploding, of course, from overcharging. So we're just going to let it get a good little charge. Of course, checking to make sure that everything's on the probes for the battery. You can also, make sure you check your cotton, make sure it's still wet. For this one, it's still soaking wet, but the battery died before you could use up all the juice, which is how this is how they get you. This is how they get you to keep buying more and more and more, because the batteries only stay charged for so long. So my fiance goes through probably 1 or 2 a day just because of the battery life on these things. So I found a way to refill them and recharge them. So that should be enough. I mean, just to show you guys, but I mean, I usually charge them for about 5 to 10 minutes, no more than that. After that, you're risking, the battery overheating, etc., etc. So now we're just gonna pull it off of our battery, put our assembly down, unplug our power source, put that cable to the side.